I'm Rahul, founder of SKULLMATE, and this is my progress video of Tranche 1. Hi there. First of all, I would like to thank the Government of Karnataka and the Elevate team as well for giving us the opportunity to development of the product. Of course, we were just a startup with an idea and some of the prototype, but currently we have grown much larger than that. We have also grown in terms of the warehouse facility, also the product development. We have also outsourced many of the products to the manufacturers. Also, we have a patent under us, and that's a huge deal for us. We have applied for Tatkal patent, which is PCT, which can be claimed in the Patent Corporation Treaty countries as well. Coming to the product development, we were just a startup with an idea, and currently we have grown into a full-scale company with working functional prototype as well. I'll be explaining all the product development in the later part of the video. And in terms of the outsourcing, we have done contracts with small-scale manufacturers in terms of the injection molding and the small parts vendors as well. And also in terms of the R&D, we have grown from just a 3D printer model to a completely carbon fiber street legal testable model as well. So and in terms of the patent, we have applied for Tatkal patent, which will be granted within a year, and it can be used for licensing as well of the technology. And in terms of the features, we have added a few more features, specifically for the police department. We have a newer version of the model, which can be used for the police department to prevent the injuries from stone pelting as well. And this is one of the first models in India to be developed, especially for the stone pelting to avoid the impacts from the stone pelting. Coming to the website and the marketing, we have developed an AI-powered marketing tool, which will automatically update the database on real time, and it adds the customers. So once the whole tool is ready, which is specifically for our utilization, it will be implemented, and whatever the areas we focus on will be targeted based on the customers, and it will be the database will be regenerated. So in terms of the marketing, we have set all the things in motion. In terms of the marketplace, Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, and even with the shipping as well. All of that will be completed within the second tranche as well. In terms of the first tranche, we have utilized everything according to the plan, and we were not aware of the incubation fees, but again we have managed it somehow, and that has been not a problem for us. And coming to utilization as well. So the second tranche will be used mainly for manufacturing and the outsourcing of the product, also for the marketing. So that will be the second tranche, and the first tranche is completed with all the according to our plans what we have specified. We need to raise the seed funding for large-scale manufacturing, as the grant will not be sufficient for going for large-scale manufacturing. We are mainly looking for VCs or investment houses for the next round of funding. We are looking forward for investor connector as well. So that would be the tranche 2, and most of the work is already in motion, and the tranche 2 will be completed within the next 3 months itself. Also with a working functional product as well. Lastly, I want to thank the Government of Karnataka and the Elevate team for providing all the resources and materials as well, even helping us out with the patent, the IP flare, which was very economical for us to apply for the Tatkal patent as well. So we also look forward for investor connect from the Elevate team, and also the continued support what we have provided till now, and a big word of thanks to all the people who have made this possible. We are truly grateful for whatever the work you have done, and we hope we return the favor in the same way. Thank you. Today I'll be showing the product development what we have done till now, also the product which we have developed with our own 3D printer. This was developed for the past 6 months, and this is the early version of the SKULLMATE. As you can see, it's very thin and it starts crackling. As this is a 3D printed model, the strength is much lower. But again, this is the latest one which we have developed, and this is much more durable and strong. I can even stand on this actually. I can stand on this, and if nothing happens. That's the structural stability and the strength which we have developed in the R&D. We also have the carbon fiber model which we have 3D printed with our own facility, and this is much more stronger, and it doesn't weigh more than 600 grams, which we have done it. So on this, more than 2 to 3 people can stand on this and nothing will happen. That's the structural stability which we have developed. You can compare it with any helmets, irrespective of the price, and they don't provide the amount of strength and the structural stability as our SKULLMATE. As you can see, this will be refurbished and painted to cater to a proper MVP as well. You see, this is a carbon fiber 3D printer model. This is the internal geometry. So this is called as the isogrid structure, the inner pattern. It's actually used in rockets in order to save the space and increase the material strength as well. And that's how we can stand on this and nothing happens to the product.